Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy SPYL on Interactive Brokers in just a few steps. First, head to the Interactive Brokers website and click the Login button in the top right corner, then select Portal Login. Enter your username and password and click Login to access Client Portal. Once you're in, click the Trade tab at the top of the page, then select Order Ticket. The Order Entry panel will appear with product type tabs along the top. Make sure the Stocks tab is selected. This is where you'll enter orders for stocks and ETFs. The tab should be highlighted and you'll see a symbol search bar ready to go. Type SPYL into the symbol search bar. After you enter the ticker, a list of exchanges will appear where SPYL is listed. Click on the exchange you want to trade on. SPYL trades on exchanges like Xetra and the London Stock Exchange in different currencies. Pick the one that matches your base currency if you want to avoid conversion fees. Once you've selected the exchange, you'll see a quote and graph appear on the right side of the order ticket. Now click the Buy Order button to set the order action to buy. Next, enter the quantity. Type in the number of shares you want to purchase in the quantity field. You'll see the estimated order cost update on the right. Now select your order type from the dropdown. If you choose Market, the order will execute immediately at the current price. If you choose Limit, you can set a maximum price per share. Your willing to pay a price field will appear where you can enter that limit price. If you're using a limit order, you can also set the time in force. Click the drop down and choose day if you want the order to cancel at the end of the trading session, or good till cancel if you want it to stay active until it fills, or you cancel it manually. Before submitting, click the preview button at the bottom of the order ticket. This will show you the commission costs and estimated margin impact. It's optional, but recommended to verify everything looks right. When you're ready, click the Submit Order button. You might see a confirmation pop up depending on the order, type, review it, and accept. You'll see a confirmation message once the order is submitted, and at the top of the order ticket, you'll see that the order is pending. Click Done at the bottom to close the ticket. Once your order fills, the SPYL shares will show up in the portfolio section on your client portal homepage. If you want to check your order status at any time, click the Trade tab and select Orders and Trades. You can also modify or cancel pending orders from there by hovering over the order and clicking the blue dotted icon. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.